Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to enable tap to click option on your Mac or MacBook. So right now, as you can see, I need to hard press to click on something here. I cannot just tap on the trackpad and it will not just open anything. So to enable that, you'll have to open your system settings, and you can do that by clicking on this Apple icon on the top left corner and go to system settings, and under system settings scroll all the way to the down and open trackpad. And under trackpad, the settings here are very simple. You see this option called tap to click, just toggle this on, and once this is done, you can now just tap on the trackpad of your MacBook, and that will be considered as a click. So you no longer have to hard press on the trackpad to click. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.